Hey everybody, it's Catie Harris from Nursepreneurs, and this is AI Friday. Okay, so we are looking at an agent that will analyze YouTube comments. So I'm here on Mr. Beast's channel because he's got so many comments, lots of people talking about his stuff. And I want to show you how easy it is to just analyze these comments. So we're going to go into his video real oh, goodness. And I'm going to pull up my Mindstudio. So you see I have this in a Chrome extension. So I'm going to pull up my Mindstudio extension and I'm just going to run analyze YouTube comments. So in analyzing YouTube comments, it's going to go through, and there's a lot. There's an awful lot that especially there's 10,000 comments. Now, for someone to go through 10,000 comments is physically a very daunting task, but AI can do it literally in seconds, and it's going to analyze and give us some information about this particular video that's going on. So how would this be useful? Well, this is very useful if you need to analyze anybody's YouTube channel, any video, if you comments are helpful. And it's not just YouTube that you can do this on, but you can see this came up pretty quickly. So YouTube video reacting to Jaime in 10 years. Here are the key learnings. So I don't have to read all of, it's read the video, it's read the key learnings of what he discovered about himself in this video. And then it goes through a sentiment analysis of comments. So the comments were overwhelmingly positive. Of course, Mr. Beast videos, they tend to be inspirational. The most discussed elements were his transformations over the last 10 years. So you can see how this information, and some funny, cheeky things here too as well. But you can see how something like this could be extremely powerful in anything, right? Let's say you went to a functional medicine YouTube channel and wanted to read all the comments there and get a sentiment from what are people saying about this, because you can use that in your own marketing. So now kind of behind the scenes here, basically in our workflow, what we have here is our start, and then it generates text. So basically when we generate text, we've given it a task. So it's going to get the transcript from YouTube. It's going to extract the key learnings, which is part of that format that we just saw. Provide the YouTube video, and then give us a bulleted output. This block is just fetching that YouTube comments, and then we want it to analyze. It's not, I just don't want a whole bunch of data. I don't want 10,000 comments. I want AI to talk me through why is it pertinent, and all of this can be changed, right? If I didn't want overall sentiment, I just want negative comments. I could say I'm looking for the following aspects to the analysis. Give me all the negative feedback, right? So that could be something that you could do. Then it displays content and then it ends. And so that is kind of the basic feature of this very, very simple AI agent that you can use to analyze YouTube comments and find information. And it's not just YouTube. We could fetch Reddit comments. We could fetch whatever comments you want. We can configure the Mindstudio to do what it is that you want. So hopefully this was helpful and interesting to you. I've got lots and lots of prompts that we're working on. If you want to download my prompts for free, the information is in the description. Go ahead and grab that for free, and I'll keep showing you more stuff.